loves, welcome back to another vlog. It's a brand new vlog. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and welcome to my family. If you are returning Sabi, welcome back my love. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog as well. So I'm basically gonna try dropping 2 vlogs every month, and then like one sit down video, just so that we can have like 3 videos a month. So yeah, and thank you guys for the love and all the engagement on my previous video. I didn't expect the video to do so well, and actually did. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate that. And just double check if you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free, but it means the world to me. So yeah, without further rambling, let's get into today's video. I'm actually watching Big Brother, so if you can hear voices in the background, that's what it is. So yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Yes, you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Yes, you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait, so what can I say to you? When I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, what is this for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad at fuck. We was living fast as fuck. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
I'm gonna be sorry for that. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the challenge how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. Oh, sorry to say that. Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems. For this girl, what is love?
What's that?
What is love? Girl, what we see ain't what it seems. For this girl, what is love?
Hey my angels, welcome back to another day of this vlog. At this point, you know what, it's actually fair to say I'm ashamed. I literally started the vlog on Saturday. Yesterday was Sunday, there was nothing going on. I was just being a bum the whole day because I'm currently going through a funk. But then when everything is when the whole situation is like over, I'll tell you guys about it. But for now, I don't want to talk about it because I'm literally gonna cry on camera, and that's not what I want. So I did my hair this morning just to like feel better, because when I look better I feel better. And not only me, I think everyone in general, when you look better, when you look good, you feel better. I mean, sorry. On Saturday we went to the shops. When I started the vlog, we went to the shops. Yesterday I didn't do much, I just cooked, and I wasn't actually in the right mood to like vlog, and there was nothing going on really. So today I just decided to do my hair, and then I'm just gonna do like I'm just gonna apply a bit of mascara, do like a lip combo with some gloss, put in some earrings, and like maybe go out to the garage, get some ice cream just to like feel better. But then there's flies like all over and it's so hot. So this is the mascara that I'm gonna use. Yeah guys, so as I was saying, I don't feel good and I literally don't know what's happening, because you know when there's like a series of events that happen, like every time there's like a small inconvenience that happens, and then things just start to pile up, and then when someone asks you like what's wrong or like kenzakalani, you don't necessarily know like how to explain to the person. So that's how I'm currently feeling, and yeah, but I'll tell you guys about it when I actually feel better. And I know talking about, like, when you're going through something and talking about it makes you feel better, but I just don't want to cry right now. Yeah, so that's what has been happening, guys, for like the past few days. But thank you guys so much for the love on the previous video. I didn't actually expect the video to do so well. Let me put the mirror here. Yeah, as I was saying, I didn't expect the video to do so well, but it actually did. Like, it did so well, and I appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you are not subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. So yeah, I'm just gonna go out to the garage later, get myself some ice cream and maybe an appetizer, because I'm also taking a break from alcohol. Maybe get myself an appetizer, some ice cream, and just chill for the rest of the day, really. I was supposed to collect a parcel from Pep, but then I didn't check the SMS properly. Initially I thought the parcel is ready for collection at the shopping center where I live, but then when I actually got to Pep and double checked the SMS, it's a Kane mall. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna go to the mall. Ooh. So I'm not sure when I'm actually gonna go to the mall. But then if it happens I go, I'm gonna take you guys with. I actually need to start cooking, but I'm not gonna cook with you guys because we did that on the previous vlog and I don't want things to get repetitive. But if you like the cooking segments in my video, please let me know. I'll do more cooking videos. I'll cook more often with you guys, but for now, yeah, that's actually it. There's nothing more, guys. I just wanted to update you guys since I only last spoke to you guys on Saturday. Please let me know what videos you'd like to see on my channel, because sometimes I'm a bit conflicted. I don't know what you guys really like or don't like. So because we're trying to build a family, right? We're trying to build a family, so please let me know in the comment section. I wanted to install a bob initially, but then I'm not in the mood to be straightening hair, hot combing, hair drying. How has January been for you guys? I know like it's a new year and there's like a lot of pressure around new year, new me, but personally I just wanna let go and let God take control. I did a vision board, but I'm not really comfortable because I feel like if I don't accomplish some of the things on the vision board, I'm just gonna feel like disappointed in myself, and I don't want to put so much pressure on myself. I just want to let go and let God take control and see where the year takes us. 2024 was such a horrible year for me. Yeah, I just hope it's a better year overall. Let's do a OOTD, our first ever OOTD on the channel. My phone is actually on the small tripod because I don't know where the ring light is. I'm wearing this Lil Nas X t-shirt. I don't know where it's from. I stole it from my boyfriend, but I'll ask him where it's from and I'll write it on the screen. I'm wearing this jean. It's actually an old jean that I got from the Chinese shop. And then I'm wearing my sister's Adidas slides. Yeah, and that's basically it.
You know what it is whenever I visit. Candy City, she blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the phone, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed phones on the team. Remember when you left me in between? That was 2017. All good, just to look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Yellow red credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy. Candy City, she blowing me kisses, no. Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy. But I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just
Hey my loves, welcome to another day of this vlog. Today is a Monday and it's the last day of the vlog. I just wanted to unbox a few things that I got. Firstly, the shoes that I got on the previous vlog. I didn't end up showing you guys what I got, and then I also want to show you the package that I went to collect at the mall on Saturday. And then I also want to show you guys a pair of tackies that I got during December. So this is the package. That my address is my address showing? No, it's not. And it's just a few items that I got from my cousin. So this is the plastic that the items came in. So I initially bought these things last year in September, and things just got so hectic that I even forgot about the parcel. Firstly, I got these sandals. This is what they look like. This is what they look like at the bottom, and they're very strong. I don't know if you guys can see, like they hardly bend. So yeah, this is what I got. I have like the same color corset that I bought from Shein, and I wanted to wear it with these slides. So yeah, these are perfect. And then next up, I got this top. I think it's like a blue tube top. It's like a blue tube top, strapless. This is what it looks like. So this is the top, and then this is the bottom, and then it has like a cinched in waist kind of situation happening, and this is the back. I have a skirt that I want to pair this top with, a long denim skirt. So these are the shoes that we got on the previous vlog in a size 3. These are the shoes. I already wore them twice, guys. So that's what they look like. So cute, especially for, cause I don't wear sneakers that much, cause one foot swells up when I wear tackies. So for like those days where I don't want to wear tackies but I also don't want to wear slides, this is like the perfect shoe. And then lastly, these are the tackies from Supega. The original price was $9.50, but I got them for $6.99 in a size 3 as well. No, is this a size 3? It's a 3.5. The shoes, so pretty. It's like a light grayish color. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it looks kind of white on the camera. It's like a light, it's like an ash gray color. This is what they look like. Let me see if the camera can pick the color up. So yeah, that's the shoe, guys. I'm obsessed. Leaflet on how to take care of the shoes, how to wash it and everything. Yeah, this is just the receipt. These are my babies, guys. You won't understand. I wanted the shoes for such a long time. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm having tea, guys. It's such a gloomy day today. It was raining yesterday, raining cats and dogs. If you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Please share the video with your friends, family. Let's help me reach 500 subbies. And yeah, bye.